This is an 8-in-1 cleaning brush. Clean just about anything imaginable. You got a ceiling fan, an air conditioner, a bathroom, a kitchen floor, a sink, wherever you need to, scrub things without putting a lot of pressure on your hands, but let the machine do the work. This product may be right for you. So let's open this bad boy up, show you what's inside the box. As we open up the unit, it's very nicely packed. We have two brushes on this particular side. You have a cone shape and a flat shaped brush. Please be careful when cleaning certain sanitized toilets that these may scratch the bowl. You want to make sure you use the right brushes for that. You have here is a nice small rounded brush. You have here is a cone brush. As you can see, they're different sizes. They're larger than the small ones. And then you got this Brillo type brush that will take scratches off the table that I'm sitting on. And it comes with the Velcro part. You have here is a terry cloth polishing one. And you have a foam one like so. And then you have one that you put polish on, a very soft one indeed. You have the USB cable that plugs in to charge the unit right here. As it comes packed, you're going to unwrap it. And it's talking to you. It's got a voice command. How sweet is that? So let's press the button.
Power ready. Please press M to start.
Get nice and close so you can hear it.
Power ready. Please press M to start.
That is nice indeed. Now you have an instruction guide. You can go through and read it. And take out the bottom that you're going to get yourself also wrapped up nicely indeed is a wand, a stick that you simply find a way to put it on. You screw it on like so. You have a button on here that lifts, locks, and expands. How neat is that? And then you can just simply have a nice long pole, and it's about 40 inches. And then you take the actual unit. You're going to see how it fits on. There should be a cap on the bottom here. It goes on a particular way and it snaps in very easy. I'm going to turn the unit on.
Power ready. Please press M to start. Low speed. Medium speed. High speed.
It doesn't say off. It says low, medium, high speed, power on, and it tells you what's happening. So you're able to come here and do your job in cleaning. So let's go use this unit and get some things clean. There's the speaker, there's the display, the on, and the mode change for speed. It's got a nice hand grip. It's got an adjustable lever, and you can simply twist it off by taking it apart. Let's go clean the toilet bowl. Pull, grab the unit. You can see the angles, just match like for like, and off we go. We have a clean toilet. We turn it on, we lift the toilet bowl, and we go clean. Now the unit's IP rated so you can get it in there and not worry about it. That's what it's there for. We have the attachments piece that simply goes on.
Please press M to start.
And we put the buffer on like so. If I want to pull it off, it comes off, goes on, very easy. I am going to go low speed. And I am going to dust around my fan's edges. I hold my fan blade. If I need faster, I hit faster. We snap on the actual unit. Turn the unit on.
Power ready. For those medium high speed.
I need to clean the glass, so
When you're ready, please press M to start.
I take the thing off, and I am just about ready to go ahead and spin it on. I put the attachment, and I put the glass cleaner, the soft polish, and I take a little spray, and I spray up, and I polish my glass. If the pole's in my way, I simply just wiggle it off, and I start it up again. The 8-in-1 brush, oh man, it does a good job. Use it for just about anything. And if you just want to store it away, put everything back in this box the way it came out, and you got a nice storage container. Very simple to take off. Again, it comes with the Velcro part, and it comes all complete as a nice kit to clean anything imaginable that you have. I hope you enjoy your product, if this product is right for you. Now, to charge this unit up, you simply plug this into the bottom of the unit over here. It's a USB-C cable, so it goes either way.